Hi guys, it's Chopper 316 again. Just to show you a couple of things I've made and enjoyed making. First of all, my power hacksaw, which is made from a printer motor, I believe, and I fabricated it and it cuts near enough 100% through. I love it, it's great. Secondly, I'm going to move you over to the old lathe now and find it. Here we go. Alright, bring you up a little bit more. Right, as you can probably see, it's a Chester 920 lathe. All in all, I'm very pleased with it. There's a few issues, but being an amateur machinist, I think it's probably a bit of me and a bit of the machine. Comes with quite a lot of accessories. Comes with a follow rest, 4-jaw chuck, and a steady rest. I've done a few modifications on it. Put a little digital readout on the old tailstock. I've taken the big chuck guard off because it's more of a nuisance than it is use. It's quite dangerous actually. I've fitted an extra emergency stop just in case. Okay, moving further ahead, I'll bring you around to my mill machine. Okay, the old milling machine, good old baby. I've done quite a few modifications to this, as you can probably well see. First modification I did was a spindle lock, which is on the other side. It came with a epoxy bar as you've shoved in a hole, which I didn't like at all. I'm forever losing it. So what I did, I made a spring-loaded pin which locks the spindle. Secondly, I added Y, X and 0 DROs. Yeah. And secondly, I added a, as you can probably see, a homemade power feed, which consists of a windscreen wiper motor and a variable speed controller from eBay, of course. It's great. Yeah, I love it. Good mill, not too bad. Few issues. It doesn't have a reverse on it, which I'm a bit peeved about, but we get by, no problem. The other thing I added was a misting system, coolant misting system, which is not my idea, but I've made my own modifications to it. It consists of a water filter bottle, which you can see in the lower part of the video, and it comes up to the head via an air tube and a liquid tube, oil tube, yeah, and it's injected through a nozzle which I've made myself. It's very effective. Doesn't use a lot of liquid. It keeps the tools cool and lubricated. Okay, so Chopper 316 saying ta-ta for now. See you soon. Bye bye.